Hello guys, welcome to the Coding Yodhas. So in previous video we saw how to create a data frame and how to access its columns. So in this video we are going to see how to access a row, access a row of a data frame. So we are going to use iloc method of the pandas. So we have already imported. We are going to import pandas as PD. Second thing, we from previous lecture, if we have in previous lecture we already made a data frame underscore 2, that is something like this one. So suppose if we want to access this row, correct, that is 0th 1th, we are going to access first row, first index, like 0th in almost in every programming language, counting starts from 0, right? So we are going to name it, we are going to call this one first row. Okay, and this is 0th row, this is first row, this is third row. So if you want to access the first row of this data frame, how we are going to do it? We are going to do it using the f2 dot iloc and then the row number, that is 1. Press shift plus enter and we get it, correct. We get getting name as John, age as 25 and gender as M. Then suppose if we want to access this column, this row, how are we going to do it? We will be doing df2 dot iloc and then we will pass 2 as an index and we will press enter. What do we get? We get name as Mary, age as 24 and gender as female, correct. Now there's one more thing that I want to tell you guys. So suppose this is our for every iloc method, the first argument, the first index, the first index correspond to this one. We can put it like something like this one, okay, a comma b. So this will be corresponding to a row, okay, and this will be corresponding to column. Like if you have studied arrays or list, so in an array we have specified something like this, right, x comma y, where x is our rows and y is our column. So similarly, suppose if we want to access for this row, I want to access age 25. So what we're going to do, we will do df underscore 2 dot iloc and first entry belongs to which one? Row. So we are going to choose the row number, that is 1, and we want to pick this column, right? So this will be 0th 1, again 1, and if we print it we get 25, correct, as expected, correct. We were wanting to get this thing only, correct. So suppose okay, and if there is a requirement that I want all of this row, I want to get all the rows but only this column data, how are we going to do it? So we will do something like this one, df underscore 2 dot iloc. Since first entry is first of this index is first position is always first position belongs to the rows, so we can put some first put comma. So here first one belongs to row, so we will put colon. What colon does, it will go and tell that I want all of these rows, all of the rows available in this data frame, okay. And the second one position belongs to column, so we will select which columns do we want to print, which column do we want to fetch. Suppose I want to fetch age column data, so what I'm going to do is I will go and put age column belongs to 0th first index, right. I will type 1 and press enter and we get this one, correct. Suppose if we have a requirement that fetch all of the rows but only name and gender column, so how we are going to do it using iloc? I will go press df dot iloc, then colon for picking all of the rows, then index number of this column that I want to fetch. So I'm going to fetch 0th column and the second column. Press enter, you get it, correct. So that's all for this iloc method, guys. If that's all for now for iloc method. Okay, so in next videos we are going to see other topics belonging to Pandas DataFrame. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.